believe this? A camper that looks ready for war but feels like a 5-star suite inside. Meet the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper, a wild creation that's part luxury motorhome, part military-grade machine, and all kinds of unstoppable. This isn't your average weekend camper. This is the kind of beast you'd take when the world ends, and you'd still have Wi-Fi, a hot shower, and surround sound while rolling through chaos. The moment you see it, you know this thing means business. 6 massive wheels, an armored shell, and stance that screams move or be moved. Toyota clearly didn't design this for ordinary road trips. They built it for those who crave the kind of adventure that doesn't stop when the pavement does. Every line and angle feels deliberate, bold, tactical, and aggressive. The mix of matte paint, reinforced skid plates, and composite armor gives it a stealthy presence that turns heads anywhere it rolls, from the heart of the city to the edge of nowhere. But what really sets the Sprinter 6x6 apart isn't just its looks, it's what lies beneath that shell. Toyota engineered it to survive, plain and simple. High-strength steel meets lightweight composite armor, meaning it can shrug off rough terrain, bad weather, and even small-caliber fire. It's built for explorers who don't want limits or fear. Step inside, though, and it's like walking into another world. You go from military base to luxury penthouse in seconds. The cabin is warm, quiet, and surprisingly elegant. Up front, the driver's area looks like a blend between a fighter jet cockpit and a high-end SUV. Digital displays stretch across the dash, controls sit perfectly at hand, and everything feels purpose-built. Behind that, the camper module is where it gets truly impressive. Plush leather seating, convertible sleeping setups, a sleek kitchenette, and even armored panoramic windows that let you admire the view without compromising safety. There's ambient lighting to set the mood, soundproofing to keep the world outside, and climate control to make sure every mile feels like home, whether you're crossing deserts, forests, or frozen tundra. It's comfort with confidence, adventure without sacrifice. Now, under that heavy armor is an absolute monster of an engine, a twin-turbo V8 diesel packing over 600 horsepower. That's right, 600 horses powering all 6 wheels through an advanced 10-speed automatic and a fully adjustable all-wheel drive system. Whether you're crawling over rocks, tearing through dunes, or hauling a small house behind you, the Sprinter 6x6 handles it all with authority. Despite its size and weight, it moves like it means it, smooth on the highway, unstoppable off-road. Sure, it's not winning any fuel economy awards, but this machine isn't built for grocery runs. It's built for endurance. Dual fuel tanks make long, off-grid travel possible, while Toyota's engineering ensures it runs reliably in the harshest conditions. Technology-wise, this camper feels like something from the future. The infotainment system isn't just for music or navigation. It doubles as a tactical control hub. It can show 3D terrain maps, drone footage for scouting routes, and real-time weather or threat analysis. Imagine launching a drone straight from your dashboard to see what's ahead. Yeah, it does that. Connectivity? Check. A satellite communication system keeps you online even in the middle of nowhere. Voice-controlled smart home features let you manage lighting, temperature, and power usage without lifting a finger. Solar panels on the roof feed into a robust battery system, keeping the entire camper running off-grid for days. And with Wi-Fi, wireless charging, and multiple USB-C ports, it's as modern as it gets. But here's where the Sprinter 6x6 really earns its armored title, safety. It comes with B6 level protection, enough to stop rifle rounds and withstand explosive blasts. Run-flat tires mean you can keep moving even if they're punctured. And then there's Toyota's suite of driver assist features, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, all working together to make every journey as secure as it is smooth. And for those venturing into uncharted territory, there's thermal imaging, night vision, and even a drone-based surveillance option so you can scout your surroundings before you move. It's like having your own mobile fortress, one that doubles as a luxury apartment. Now let's talk about the price tag, because you probably guessed it's not cheap. The base model starts around $450,000, and with full customization, it can easily soar past $600,000. But let's be honest, this isn't a camper for everyone. It's a premium expedition vehicle built for those who take adventure seriously or who just want the peace of mind that comes with driving a rolling fortress. When you break it down, the price makes sense. You're getting luxury, durability, protection, and Toyota reliability, all rolled into one. And compared to other armored campers on the market, some of which start higher, the Sprinter 6x6 is actually a solid value. Think of it less as a purchase and more as an investment in freedom and safety. Plus, armored vehicles tend to hold their value well, and with Toyota's global service network, support is rarely out of reach. Sure, maintenance and fuel costs will be higher, but what you get in return is unmatched toughness and the ability to go where most vehicles wouldn't dare. Toyota also offers customization options, so buyers can tailor their Sprinter to their exact needs. Want to save on weight and fuel? Go for a lighter armor configuration. Want the full tactical setup with reinforced plating, external camera systems, and upgraded security? That's an option too. Inside upgrades like gourmet kitchens, luxury entertainment systems, or enhanced solar setups are all on the table. Insurance will cost more, obviously, but for people who value safety and independence, that peace of mind is worth every penny. So what really makes the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper special? It's the way it blends worlds that usually don't mix: extreme off-road capability, top-tier comfort, and serious protection. Most vehicles do one or two of those things well. This one does all three flawlessly. It's not just a camper. It's a statement that you can have luxury without losing toughness and adventure without losing safety. It's for explorers, professionals, and free spirits who want to go anywhere, literally anywhere, and take the comfort of home with them. In the end, the Sprinter 6x6 isn't just redefining what a camper can be. It's redefining what freedom looks like on 4, or in this case, 6, wheels. With this machine, every destination becomes reachable, every journey an experience, and every mile an adventure that feels limitless. So what do you think? Could you see yourself living off the grid in this unstoppable beast? If you enjoy diving into this incredible machine, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because more jaw-dropping vehicles like this are on the way. Until next time, stay wild, stay curious, and keep chasing the horizon.